Every day is a new beginning. Okay, every day is a new beginning. Take a deep breath. Okay, take a deep breath, smile and start the day. Okay, every day is a new beginning. Take a deep breath. Okay, smile and start again. Okay, you can achieve the goal. All the best. Then now we can go. Here we are going to learn about functions of body. We already know the parts. We already know the parts. Already I teach you the parts of the body and the functions. Here now we are going to learn about the functions of body. Here the first one. See, very important one. Sans lena. Sans lena means to breathe. Okay, to breathe. Okay, मुझे सांस लेना हर मनुष्य को सांस लेना आवश्यक है. बिना सांस ही जी नहीं सकता. Okay, without breath we can't live. Then jabana. Okay, jabana means to chew. To chew, jabana. हम बच्चों को कहते हैं कि हर खाने के समय जबाना चाहिए. Chew and eat the food. Then only it can easily digest. Okay, easily digest and we can get the energy. Without chewing, we should not eat the food. Then kansna means to cough. Okay, kansna means to cough. While we suffer by cold. Okay, we suffer by cold, it becomes cough. Okay, then kansna to cough. Then pachana means to digest. To digest. Okay, हर रोज खाने के पहले गर्म पानी पीना चाहिए. हर रोज खाने के पहले गर्म पानी पीना चाहिए. इसलिए खाना बहुत जल्दी पचाना जाती है. ओके, डेली वी हैव टू बिफोर ब्रेकफास्ट, बिफोर लंच, बिफोर डिनर वी हैव टू टेक 1 tumbler hot water. Okay, 1 tumbler hot water. It will digest our food easily. Then rona means to cry. रोना means to cry. Here हम बच्चे को कहते हैं मत रो, don't cry baby. Okay, we are saying that don't cry. Okay, then chuna is to touch. Okay, chuna means to touch. हर पैदा हुए बच्चे को, 1 साल की बच्चे को छूने से मुझे बहुत खुशी आती है. Okay, while touching a new baby, I feel very happy. It feels very smooth. Then sunna means to hear. Sunna means to hear. Okay, हर रोज हर कक्षा में अध्यापिका कहते हैं सुनो बच्चों. Listen. Okay, we can hear. Okay, in calling in the cell phone we can say to the other one, सुनो मैं क्या कहती हूँ. सुनो मैं क्या कहती हूँ. Hear me what I am going to say. Then hansna is to laugh. Okay, laugh. Okay, 9th one is taudna means to run. While seeing the police, the thief run away. Okay, the thief run away. जब चोर पुलिस को देखा वग तौड़ा. Here. Then सूंघना means to smell. गुलाब मोती हर फूल की सुगंध मुझे अच्छी लगती है. Okay, हर फूल की स्मेल मुझे अच्छी लगती है. Rose, the smell of the rose is very precious. Okay, then chinkna means to sneeze. In the time of suffering by cold, we are sneezing. Okay, then चखना, चखना means to taste, to taste. हर समय खाने पकाने के समय मेरी माताजी मुझे एक स्पून देती है to चखाने के लिए. Okay, then only I can say the food is taste or not. Other thing, we have to add something like that, chili powder, salt, etc. Okay, in that time मेरी माँ मुझे एक स्पून चावल देती है. Then फेंकना means to throw. Okay, बच्चे गेंद को फेंकते हैं. बच्चे गेंद को फेंकते हैं means children are going to throw the ball. Then badan sarir. Okay, badan sarir means here two words for body. Okay, badan sarir. Then tatti karna means evacuate the stool. Here we are going to the restroom, that is why I am writing that evacuate the stool, going to the restroom. Okay, tatti karna. Then once again see, we have to get clear knowledge of that. Then sans lena means to breathe. Okay, jabana means to chew. Kansna to cough. Okay, pachana means to digest. Here rona means to cry. Chuna is to touch. Okay, touching the things, etc. Sunana is to hear. Then here see, हंसना means to laugh. हर बच्चे उसकी माँ को देखकर हंसती है. Every child while seeing his mother getting laugh. Then taudna means to run. Here sugna is to smell. Then chingna means to sneeze. Okay, chakana means to taste. Fenkna is to through. Badan sarir. Okay, both for body. Then tatti karna is evacuate the stool. This means as going to the restroom. Okay, now we can clearly get the knowledge of the functions of body. Okay, you got it.